All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the college full size from tonight's break. This is the Alabama Dynasty helmet. So we'll check the time, April 22nd at 7:18 p.m. I'm going to go over to the video and type live. We have, where is it? April 22nd at 7:18 p.m. There is the list of our 8 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jeff. Spot 5 is our winner. So, Jeff, you win the Alabama Dynasty helmet. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, April 22nd, 7:19 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.